Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Confluent Schema Registry access for Avro events step by step clearly. To authorize Confluent Schema Registry access for Avro events, begin by logging into the Confluent Cloud Console. Navigate to the Schema Registry settings from the main dashboard. Locate the API key section to create a new API key. Click on the Create API Key button and fill in the required fields. Assign the key a descriptive name for easy identification. Ensure you select the appropriate permissions for your use case. After filling out the form, click Create to generate the API key. Once generated, securely store both the API key and secret. Next, open your application configuration files where you will implement the schema registry access. In the configuration, add the schema registry URL, which can typically be found in the Confluent Cloud Console. Input the generated API key and secret into your application's configuration settings. Make sure to format the credentials correctly, following the required syntax. For Avro serialization, include configurations for the Avro serializer in your application. Now, implement error handling to manage potential access issues. Test the connectivity by running your application to ensure it can successfully connect to the schema registry. Monitor the logs for any authorization errors during the initial run. If you encounter errors, double-check the API key permissions and the entered credentials for accuracy. Once the setup is verified, your application should now be able to authorize access to Confluent Schema Registry for Avro events effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.